from foundations to diplomas and, ultimately, degrees. Taylor's University is the gateway to quality, comprehensive and international education. These capabilities are carefully and effectively crafted within the teaching and learning environment in Taylor's classrooms, where intentional learning is the desired attitude among students.
For us, the way we apply innovation in teaching and learning is that anything that would create value to the teaching learning process. As an example, Dr. Obai, he was teaching a very difficult subject at one point in time, and he noticed that he needs to engage the students to ask questions and learn along the way. And he also noticed that a lot of students spend a lot of time in Facebook. So he created a Facebook group that says, "Are you smarter than Dr. Obai?" And in that website, he would post questions and soliciting students to think about the solution. And then along the way, students challenge each other and learn along the way.
One perfect example of innovative teaching at Taylor's are their multidisciplinary projects. Instead of limiting students to terrains within their respective schools, multidisciplinary projects allow students to experience knowledge and angles beyond their industry. How does it work?
What we have is project-based learning. And in project-based learning, what we do is that every student, every semester, would have to work on a project, starting from semester 1. And how we apply it is that every student work in a team to solve an open-ended challenge. It could be a challenge where it is part of a research work from someone's research, or it could be an open-ended challenge where we ourselves do not have an answer for. Okay, a multidisciplinary project means a project that requires you to apply multidisciplinary skills. It could be skills that requires discipline in chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, and or electronics engineering. It may also requires you to have knowledge in other areas like marketing, finance, and so on and so forth. How we apply that is that students are given open-ended challenge, where not only are they required to use skills and expertise that they have, that they learn in class, they may have to learn new skills or in some other discipline. As an example, our Taylor's racing team, which is the current racing champion for the nation right now, it involved them designing a car, building a car, and racing that car. The car generally is a mechanical engineering system, but it also has got electronic system that requires students from the electrical electronics discipline to help in. The team also requires to promote the team, get sponsorship, and so these other skills and other disciplines that they have to pick up on their own. These students have to study these other skills that they didn't learn in class.
To foster an international presence and accommodate an international community, collaborations with various organizations from around the world are a regularity. This includes working with top universities and being members of renowned worldwide professional bodies, such as CDIO, an initialism for conceive, design, implement, operate. Away from the classroom and even the campus, Taylor's University students are also given the opportunity to have their first taste of the outside world. Outside the country itself, student trips and projects organized via international collaborations enable them to experience and apply their learned skills all around the world.
I've got this opportunity to go to the CDIO conference in Canada last year, and it was a really great opportunity because usually these conferences are attended by fourth-year students or lecturers and PhDs. So as a first-year student last year, it was a really great chance for me to see the world. So I was there to actually present a technical paper on my project. So the lecturers that attended were actually very impressed with all of this because they were amazed by what a bunch of first-year Malaysian students could do. Some of the other competitions that I've represented Taylor's in was actually the Formula Varsity. Last year it was a national racing competition, so we've actually came out first from that. When I won the race, it felt really great because the night before that there was a catastrophic engine failure. So we actually struggled through the whole night trying to repair the engine, and after that, coming out first was an awesome thing. From this competition, I actually learned a lot about teamwork, the importance of working together, and that when you have the passion to do something, you can really achieve very crazy things. I've always been interested in computers and other technical things since I was young. So Taylor's has given me an opportunity to pursue these dreams. and it's awesome that I was given this chance to hone my skills.
A local gateway to international education in a world-class campus providing the facilities equipped to host a comprehensive learning playground, Taylor's University commits to paving the way for its students' future by creating a globally competitive environment.